Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can connect your PayPal to start accepting payments here in Shopify. So, first thing that you should do is you just have to open any of your web browser and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for shopify.com. Okay? And then after that, you just have to log into your account or sign up for an account if you don't have an account yet. So since we already have our account, so what we are going to do here is you'd be able to see the settings option at the bottom left of our screen, or you have this option right here, which is the setup payment provider. So you can either click on this one or click on the settings. Okay, so here on the settings, as you can see, we have these options. So you just have to tap on the payments. Okay, and then after that, you just have to choose a provider. So providers that enable you to accept payment methods at a rate set by the third party. An additional fee will apply to new orders once you select a plan. So here, you just have to tap on this one. Or we also have the supported payment methods. So payment methods that are available with one of Shopify's approved payment providers. So currently we have the PayPal. So here just tap on choose a provider. So here are the available payment providers. So these are the third party payment providers. Okay, so I'll just go back here and then look for the PayPal. So here on the supported payment methods, all you have to do is to tap on the add payment method if you cannot find the PayPal here. So tap on this one. Okay, and then you just have to search for PayPal. Okay, so you'll be able to see here now the PayPal once you are eligible to use the PayPal payment option. Okay, so from here, let's tap on the activate option. That's right. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds. So the same process, you'll be directed here. So since we already have our PayPal payment option, so all we have to do is to tap on the setup option. Okay, so when you do that, you'll be able to see here now the complete setup. So just tap on this one and then it will be directed to another tab. So what you are going to do here is to connect your PayPal account. Okay, so you just have to make sure that your name and then your password is correct. So to connect a PayPal account to start accepting payments on Shopify, it is free to connect whether you have an existing PayPal account or you want to create a new one. So all you have to do is to type up right here your email. After that, your country and your region. So for example, Philippines. So you just tap on the next option. Okay, so since we already created our we already used this email to create our account. So all we have to do here now is to type out right here our password. So after that, you would be able to see here now that your PayPal payment option is successfully connected to your Shopify store. Okay, so you just have to make sure that you have followed all of these setup steps that you can see here in order for you to start accepting payments here on Shopify using PayPal. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.